So, if you've seen our reel last week regarding the E200 vehicle not starting, well, guess what? So, after running a bit of diagnostics and looking at some data streams, we realized it was the airbag module which had gone into some kind of crash data mode, wasn't allowing the vehicle to start up. We still have the original airbag control module connected, but we did find a bypass to be able to allow the engine to start. Basically, we were missing a battery terminal to the starter alternator and the 48-volt battery. We've kind of jumped that line from the battery positive, and now the vehicle is able to start up. So people, if you're facing unresolved issues with your cars, like this one, a 2025 Mercedes, vehicle not starting, we've got it back up and running, do visit us at Motormec.